Unleash your inner artist photography for women over 40. As women over 40, we are in a unique position. We have lived, loved, and learned. This is our time to shine. Photography can be our paintbrush, our voice, our way to share our unique perspective with the world. It's a journey of self-discovery, a celebration of life's beauty, both big and small. Many women over 40 feel drawn to creative pursuits. Photography is a wonderful outlet for this newfound energy. It allows us to explore our creativity and capture the world through our own eyes. There are no rules, no limitations, just the freedom to express ourselves. Have you always admired breathtaking photographs? Perhaps you've dreamed of capturing the beauty around you. This is your time to embrace photography. It's never too late to start this exciting journey of self-expression. A lens on life, capturing emotions and moments. Photography is more than just clicking a button. It's about capturing a feeling, a moment in time, a story waiting to be told. Every photograph we take is a reflection of ourselves, our emotions, and our perceptions. We see the world differently, and our photographs can showcase that unique perspective. A single photograph can evoke a range of emotions. Joy, sadness, wonder, or nostalgia. These emotions are captured and shared through our lenses. Think about a time you felt a rush of emotion while looking at a photograph. That is the power of photography. As women over 40, we have a wealth of experiences to draw from. Our photographs can become visual stories of our lives, loves, and adventures. We can document our journeys, both big and small, and share them with the world. Photography on your terms. Simple tips for stunning results. Many people believe that photography requires expensive equipment. This simply isn't true. The most important tool is your eye, your unique perspective on the world. A simple camera, even the one on your phone, can be enough to capture amazing images. Start by paying attention to light. Light is the essence of photography. Observe how it changes throughout the day, how it casts shadows and illuminates subjects. Experiment with different lighting conditions to add depth and mood to your pictures. Composition is key. Consider the rule of thirds. Imagine your frame divided into 9 equal sections. Placing your subject off-center can create more visually interesting and balanced photographs. Remember, these are guidelines, not rules. Feel free to experiment and break them to develop your own style. Section 4. Finding your voice. Self-expression through the lens. Photography can be incredibly empowering. It allows us to express ourselves creatively and share our unique vision with the world. It encourages us to slow down, observe our surroundings, and find beauty in unexpected places. Through photography, we can discover hidden talents and passions we never knew we had. Don't be afraid to experiment with different genres of photography. Perhaps you're drawn to portrait photography, capturing the essence of individuals, or maybe you prefer landscapes, finding solace in nature's beauty. You might even discover a passion for street photography, documenting the vibrancy of everyday life. Remember, there are no right or wrong answers in photography. What matters most is that you are expressing yourself authentically. Let your intuition guide you, and don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and techniques. Section 5. Embrace the experiment. Playing with photography. Photography is a journey of discovery, and the best way to learn is by doing. Don't be afraid to experiment with different settings, compositions, and subjects. Take your camera everywhere you go and capture moments that inspire you. Try shooting from different angles. Get low to the ground or find a high vantage point. Experiment with different perspectives to see how they change the mood and feel of your photographs. Sometimes the most unexpected angles can create the most striking images. Explore different photography techniques. Try macro photography to capture the intricate details of small objects. Experiment with long exposures to create dreamy, ethereal effects. The possibilities are endless, and each technique offers a new way to express your creativity. Section 6. Your photographic journey, capturing life's precious moments. Photography is a gift, a way to freeze time and capture life's precious moments. As women over 40, we have a lifetime of memories to cherish, and photography allows us to hold on to those memories forever. We can create a visual legacy for ourselves and future generations. Share your passion for photography with others. Join a photography club or online community. Attend workshops or take online courses. Learning from others can broaden your horizons and ignite new creative sparks. Embrace the joy of photography. Let it enrich your life and empower you to see the world with fresh eyes. Capture the beauty around you, share your stories, and inspire others to do the same. Your photographic journey awaits.